A popular social media post claims that the Yogi Adityanath government in Uttar Pradesh has terminated reservations for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and other backward class candidates in private medical colleges as a measure to phase out unfair caste-based reservation policies. While it is true that private medical and dental educational institutes in Uttar Pradesh do not provide reservation in the SC, ST and OBC categories, it is not an initiative of the Yogi Adityanath government. Such reservations were never in place to begin with. This viral claim first emerged in 2017 following the issuance of an order by the then newly established BJP government. This order implemented a policy for NEET-based admissions to PG courses, effectively discontinuing reservations for SC, ST and OBC students in private medical and dental colleges. The policy was put forth by the Samajwadi Party government led by Akhilesh Yadav and merely implemented by the Yogi Adityanath government. According to reports dated 10th March 2017, which was a day before the announcement of the UP election results, the Akhilesh Yadav administration issued an order introducing the NEET-based admission policy for PG courses. Clause 7 of the government order explicitly states that there would be no provision for reservation for SC, ST and OBC students in the admission process of private medical and dental colleges. The Yogi Adityanath government implemented this order upon assuming power. However, the media overlooked the fact that the order was initially issued by the SP government, presenting reports as if it were a new initiative introduced by Yogi Adityanath. However, in response to the widespread dissemination of news casting aspersions on the Yogi Adityanath government, state government authorities clarified that the news was based on an order issued by the previous SP government. Addressing the issue, the Director General of Medical Education said, "Reservation was never a part of the admission process in private sector medical and dental colleges as per the prevalent policy made in 2006. There has been no change in any policy whatsoever." After receiving clarification from the relevant authorities, some media organizations revised their articles. Consequently, over the years, the same news has been shared attributing the removal of reservations to the Yogi Adityanath government. In 2006, the Uttar Pradesh government enacted the UP Admission to Educational Institutions Reservation for Scheduled Castes, Scheduled Tribes and Other Backward Classes Act 2006, which enabled reservations in both state-aided and unaided private educational institutions. Section 4 of the Act stipulated a reservation of 21% for SCs, 2% for STs and 27% for OBCs. However, several petitions were filed against the ordinance mandating reservations in private institutes. Ultimately, in 2011, the Allahabad High Court ruled that unaided private educational institutes were not obligated to adhere to the reservation rules, as doing so would violate the basic structure of the Indian Constitution. The court rendered its judgment in the Sudha Tiwari vs. Union of India case, which challenged Section 4 of the aforementioned Act. It is possible that after this verdict, the Uttar Pradesh government amended the law, discontinuing reservations in private unaided institutes. The 2006 policy referenced by the authorities during the clarification regarding the non-implementation of reservations could be linked to this judgment. To sum up, as the policy disallowing reservation for SC, ST and OBC candidates in private institutes predates the Yogi Adityanath government's tenure in Uttar Pradesh, this post is fake. Join our YouTube membership program and be a part of the journey of making public data meaningful. And remember, before you hit that forward button, pause.